Hi, this is Dan Encell, Berkshire Hathaway. Today is Monday, August 10th. Light report today, not that much going on, but interest rates still holding just under 4%, despite lots and lots of noise about them going up sometime during this year. They seem to be holding very steady right at that under 4% level. A couple headlines. Pending home sales dip in June. I think the expectation was by most economists that pending home sales were going to increase about 1.8% in June after a record-setting May. In fact, they actually declined about 0.9%. There was modest gains in the West, but a couple other parts of the country, the declines there sort of offset it there. So, again, a little bit slower there than anticipated there. The pending sales are a forward-looking index, so they're saying what's going to be happening there. So the record set in May for pending home sales led to a record in June, 8-year high in terms of the total number of closed sales. So that's what's going on nationally. It seems to be holding its own, but not quite at the record levels that people are expecting there. What's going on in Santa Barbara? For the Santa Barbara South Coast there, number of sales in July, 199, very consistent with what we've had the last few years. Pending home sales, 185, also very consistent with what we've had the last few years. Inventory levels, 267 new listings. Again, very, very consistent. So that market seems consistent. Montecito, definitely quite a big decline in July in terms of number of sales compared to what we've been usually having. 14 closed sales in July. Just to put it in perspective, the year before in July we had 25. The year before that we had 28, twice as many. The year before that we had 34. So again, off probably more than 50% compared to what we would normally have in a July. Not sure why that dip really occurred there. Inventory levels are very consistent. We had 46 new listings in July, very consistent with what we've been having. Similar numbers in June. So again, it's not an inventory problem. But good news is pending sales for July, we have 26, very consistent with what we've had the last couple of years. So looking forward, looks like we're going to be back on track. There was just a little dip in the market in Montecito for July. So again, everything seems to be very smooth, nice normal market right now. Just a little bit of a dip in July for Montecito, but the rest of the area looks very solid, and I think the rest of the country looks really solid.